In this video, I will show you, the level coordinators, how to complete the ILO assessment tool. Before we go in, I will say that you do not need a math degree to fill this in. It is only representative of how your level is done. You will need to download this file. It can be found on the teachers page in the end of term document section. Open your level and look in folder 2. At the top of the document, you will need to fill in your course code, that's your level, the year and semester, all of the sections in your level, the course title, and then the name of all faculty members who have taught that level in that semester. On the left side of the main table are the tools. For Peng, we will need to add, under T7, attendance, because it is something that we grade. On the right-hand side, in the second pink column, out of max grade, we will write the weight of the categories that are to be assessed. Categories that we do not assess can be ignored. So we can ignore T1 quizzes. Midterms are 20%, assignments 40, final exam in T5 30, and attendance 10. The last square in this column will turn yellow to say that we have reached 100. The tools for PSCS and PTEC will weigh differently. Please check these in the syllabus for your course before completing this column. Let's look at the midterm in T2 first. It's currently worth 20%. Of that 20%, we need to decide how many points were awarded for knowledge-based outcomes, this column here. How many points from the 20 were awarded for skills-based outcomes? And how many points from the 20 were awarded for competence-based outcomes? As coordinator, you can decide the best way to apportion those points. So for example, midterms, I'm saying is 10% skill and 10% competence. You will repeat this for all of the tools that make up your level. I'm just going to complete the rest of the table. So I've completed the knowledge, skills, and competence for all the tools that make up my course. Make sure for each row, the total of your knowledge, skills, and competence equals the number in the right pink column. So for T2 midterm exam, 10 in skills plus 10 in competence is 20 overall. Finally, we need to fill in the first pink column with the results from our level. This will be a representative class average, not the whole level across the semester. You can find these numbers in e-learning. So for example, attendance, this is my e-learning gradebook. My overall average for attendance was 94.54 out of a possible 100. T7 is our attendance. It's out of 10 points. So I will just change my 94 to 9.4 and write it in. So using my gradebook on e-learning, I can fill in the class average for the midterm, T2, assignments, T3, and final exam, T5. I'm just going to make these up. So let's say 17.5 out of a possible 20 for the midterm, 33.1 out of a possible 40 for assignments, and 26.8 out of a possible 30 for my final exam. Your work is done, and when you scroll down, what you want to see is that all three outcomes, skills, knowledge, and competence, have been demonstrated. We see 3Ds here. And in the bar graph at the bottom, 3 blue bars and 1 aqua bar on the right-hand side. When you've completed the table, save it and upload it to the same place you downloaded it from. On the teacher's page, end of term documents, open your respective level and upload it to folder 2, the ILO assessment tool.